Tech.edu. Today agenda is how we can do linear regression using Python programming language. But first we will understand what is linear regression. So let us say we have a data set that is having area column and price column. Say we have couple of area here and couple of prices in second column. Say this is X column and this is Y column. So our goal is to plot a scatter diagram, and we will place area on x-axis and price on y-axis, and we will draw a scatter diagram that looks like this. So these all are the points, and our goal is to fit a regression line in between these data points, and the equation of this line is y equal to mx plus b. So we need to calculate predicted y based on x, that is area, okay, and m is our slope and b is intercept. So we need to write a Python code for this so that our linear model can calculate coefficient and intercept for this linear line. So let us see how we can perform these tasks in Python. In regression, I am importing required libraries like NumPy. So I'm writing import NumPy as NP, writing import pandas as PD, writing matplotlib, dot pyplot as plt. So these are libraries that are required to do linear regression. So we have loaded required libraries, and let us say we have some file like area.csv and homeprices.csv. So first we will take a look at homeprices.csv, in which we can see we have two columns, area and price. So our first task is to load this data set using Python programming and pandas libraries, and then we will plot a scatter diagram using matplotlib. So let us see how we can implement this task. So I'm writing data equal to pd dot read underscore csv function for that, and my file name is homeprices.csv. So let us take a look at the data. So data is loaded. We have two columns, area and price. Now next task is to plot a scatter diagram. So for that I am writing plt dot scatter, and I am writing data dot area for x and data dot price for y. Marking some color, say color equal to red, and taking one marker, say my marker is star. So this is my scatter diagram, you can see. So I have taken marker star, that is why you can see star is coming and color is red. So we have done with this scatter diagram. Now next task is to divide our data into two parts. So we will fetch area. So we'll write data dot area, so this is my area, you can see, and even you can write this way as well. You can also fetch area using this way. So this is area, and now fetching price separately. So we are fetching it because we need to pass area and price into our model. So I'm writing data dot price, okay, and printing price as well. So make it code so that we can see. So these all are the prices, and we have area. So we have fetched area and price separately. Now our next task is to create a linear model. So for that you need to write import from sklearn. sklearn is a predefined package where you can find various machine learning libraries. So I'm writing linear underscore model and creating a model for us. So say model equal to linear underscore model dot linear regression. So this is a predefined model and creating an object and storing these object into model variable. Run this code, print model. So your model is ready. So now our next task is to feed our data into this linear model. So how we can fit? So you need to write model dot fit function and you need to pass area variable inside X column and price in Y column. This is the way you can create your model. So our model is ready. If model is ready, then we can see coefficient and intercept. So how we can see coefficient? So we need to write model dot coefficient and it will print a coefficient value for us. And if you want to check intercept, then you need to write model dot intercept underscore. This is the way you can get intercept. So the point is, if you are creating a linear model, then it will automatically calculate coefficient and intercept for you. Next task is to how you can predict values. So for that you need to write model dot predict. Predict is a predefined function and you need to pass any value. Let us see. So we have area 2600 3000 and let us say I want to predict the value for 3100. Okay, so this is the area. So you need to pass in two-dimensional array. So this linear model will not accept your value in 1D array. Okay, so this is your prediction, this is your answer. So this is the way we can implement linear regression using Python programming language. Now let us see how we can plot a linear line at the top of this scatter diagram. So I have taken X label area, so it will display area label at X-axis. Moreover, you can define Y label as well. So you can define price is present at Y-axis. So it will display the same label on both axes, like area and we have prices. And then we return plt.scatter and passing area on X-axis for X variable and price for Y variable, taking some color and taking some marker. You can also change your marker. So you can mark it small o, so it will display dots. Next part is how to draw a linear line. So you need to write plt dot plot and for X you need to pass area and for Y always remember you need to write model dot predict area. Fine. This is the way we can draw a linear line between these dots.